What's going on, everybody? It is your boy Keron Rose, and we are back with another video. And in this one, we're going to be talking about how the USD feature works in Wipay. Now, we know getting US or getting paid in US in the Caribbean is such a hot topic because the exchange rate from the US currency goes a lot further in the region. So anytime you can get paid in US and keep your US dollars is a big deal. So we are able to do that utilizing the WePay service. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a breakdown as to how that works. All right. So let's go into it. Let's pull up my account right now. So as we can see, I have some US in my WePay wallet. Now, how this works is that anytime you send out a digital invoice to your clients, right, and their currency is in the US denomination, when they make their payment, WePay is going to recognize the currency that their credit card is in, and it's going to automatically put the funds into the US balance. All right. Now, if the person was paying with a credit card that was in a TT currency, in Trinidad and Tobago currency, or if you're in another Caribbean region, like you're in Jamaica, you're in Barbados, you're in any of those other islands that WePay operates in, you're going to have this same setup. But instead of TT, you're going to see whatever your home currency is, and then you're going to see US. So if a person is paying you with a credit card that's in your home currency, it will automatically go into this side. All right. If somebody is paying you with US currency or any other currency outside of your home currency, then it is going to pull up. The money is going to be deposited into your US account balance. All right. So this happens automatically if you are sending out a digital invoice to people, or if you have a website and WePay is your payment processor. You have integrated WePay into your website, and WePay is processing the payments in your website. Again, WePay is going to automatically read the currency of the card that people are paying, and it's going to automatically distribute those funds accordingly. So if they're paying you with a credit card in your home currency, it's going to go to your home currency. If they're paying you in US or any other currency, it is going to be deposited into the US dollars account, all right, into the US side. So what's going to happen is you have two options. You are either going to be able to withdraw the entire amount of US dollars. So if you want to keep the funds in US, you can hit withdraw US. What you are going to need is you are going to need a local US cash account in your bank in your country. Once that's connected to WePay, you can deposit the US dollar funds into your local US account. All right. If you do not have a US account, right, the WePay is automatically going to still put those funds into the US side. But if you do not have a US account, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to transfer the US dollars into your home currency, and that would automatically show up in your TT balance. So it's going to look like this. So as you can see, here are the fees. So if we were to do a withdrawal, it's going to charge 11 US dollars if we are going to put it into our US account. So they're going to charge us $11 to deposit the US into our local US account, and you need to withdraw at least a minimum, or you need to have a minimum of $100, 100 US into this account balance in order to make a withdrawal. You then need to allow up to 10 working days for the money to be reflective into your local bank account. All right. So if I click on transfer USD, so remember, you have the option. If I want to keep it in US, I can deposit the US, or if I want to transfer the US to my TT side, if I want to take this US dollars and transfer it over here, I can click on transfer USD to TT dollars, and I can specify just how much of that US I want to change to convert to TT. So if I put 430, whoops, let me just, if I put 434, This is how much will be converted to Trinidad and Tobago dollars. And it already shows you up here, they're using the exchange rate of 6.80, and that can change depending on whatever the market rates are, right? So that's always going to be subjected to change. So this is how much I would get if I were to convert 434 US into TT dollars right now. So just to recap, you have the option. Remember, Wipay is going to automatically read what the currency is of the credit cards that your clients are paying with. And if it's in your home currency, it's going to automatically, you don't have to do anything. It's going to automatically go to your home currency side. If they're paying in US or any other currency, Wipay will recognize it and automatically put those funds into your US account balance. You then have two options. Withdraw the funds in US and keep it in US, or you can transfer the US into your home currency, and that would show up here in your home account balance, and then you would hit withdraw TT dollars. So I hope that is a good explanation of how the USD feature of Wipay works. Again, it is always great to know that you can get paid in US currency from anywhere in the world. And just to clarify, you can use Wipay and get paid from anywhere in the world. It doesn't matter where your clients are. You can send them a digital invoice, or if you have Wipay integrated into your website, anybody from anywhere in the world can come on your website, add their products to cart, make the purchase, and you will receive the money. You don't have to do anything when it comes to the US currency going into your Wipay wallet. Wipay takes care of that. Before, you needed to do a bit more work, but now they have it as an automatic feature. It reads the credit cards, puts the money where it's supposed to go, and then you have the decision to make of, do I want to keep those funds in US dollars, or do I want to transfer to my home currency? I hope that helps. I'll see you in the next video.